back to my channel. I'm Claudia and I create content especially for the do-it-yourselfers, authors, podcasters, and online coaches. We're going to be checking our status. We're going to be checking our status on the channel. There are three status. There's standard, there's intermediate, and there is the advanced section. So we're going to be checking that, and how you do that is by clicking on the icon, your logo, which is at the top of the page, and then you scroll all the way down to settings. Once you get to this page, you'll see channel status and features, so you click that. Another page will pop up. Here we go. So on this channel, which is a channel I created for demonstration purpose only, you see that there is the standard feature which has been turned on. It has been enabled, and in this section I can upload up to 15 minutes of video. I can create a playlist and add collaborators. Then the next section, and you can click on each of them and it tells you. It's a video upload, playlist creation, add collaborators to playlist, and add new videos to existing playlists. You can do that, and all of this is enabled on the new channel. So for the intermediate section, you will have video longer than 15 minutes. You can upload custom thumbnail and you can do live streaming. The standard feature would have, of course, had to be turned on. And how you get this verification, you'd have to be verified by phone. There's the instruction on here. If you click the little question mark right here, it tells you what to do. So it says to verify your channel, you'll be asked to enter a phone number. They'll send you a verification code by text or voice call to that phone. And they're doing all of this because they take spamming real seriously. So you want to make sure you're not set up as a spam. You want to follow all of their guidelines, and you need to know these things. All right. For the advanced feature, you need to be eligible for the intermediate feature, which is you're now uploading more than 15 minutes of video. You are able to upload the thumbnail, the section that we just covered here, the intermediate feature, and then one of these, not all three, one of these. So you can do a video verification, you can do a valid ID verification, or a channel history verification. So all you need to do, let's say you wanted to do the video verification, right? You could click here. You can read more. It will give you more information. And in this case, this channel not able to verify for the advanced feature at all because we haven't. So it would be step 1 standard, intermediate, then you have the advanced feature. So I'm not able to, if you notice, there is no option to click access feature here because this channel that I created hasn't even past the intermediate feature. So you need the intermediate feature and then one of these three: video verification, valid ID verification, or the channel history, which is having content on your channel. It says following our community guidelines to build channel history. For most creators, this usually take up to 2 months. If you've used your ID or valid verification, access advanced feature will delete it from your Google account after history is established. Alright, hope that is clear. If you have any further question, please remember to comment. If you like the video, please remember to share. Hit the bell for notification when we put up one of these instruction videos so that we can help you, whether you're a podcast, whether you're an author, whether you're an online coach and you're taking to YouTube for the very first time. We are here for you. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.